If you need to remove a payment method from your Grubhub account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is updated. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device or visit the Grubhub website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. On the app, tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. On the website, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner and select account. Step 3. Go to payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the payment methods option. Click or tap on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete next to each payment method. Click or tap on the appropriate option for the payment method you want to remove. Step 5. Confirm removal. You will likely be prompted to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice, and the payment method will be removed from your account. After completing these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from Grubhub. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for assistance.